This is gonna be, oh, yo, here we go. Oh, it's original, fully original, except the call button. Wow. Oh, wow. This thing really over leveled. Oh my. Now look at this. Huh, interesting. Oh boy. This is in Lincoln. Cab view. Oh wow, that wall creaks as I lean on it. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay, that's a loud motor. Original light switch. Still works. All right, back down. Here we go. All right, go up again. Watch the counterweight go by. Wow. We'll get out for a second, see what the other floors look like. We leveled a little better here on 4. Oh, you gotta push this bit in. I didn't realize that. An original button. Buttons have been modded on every floor. Looks like there was also originally something to lock it up here. Get a quick view. Oh, that's all new. I love it when they replace the building innards but keep the elevator. Anyway, back down. Such a neat little thing. Wouldn't know it's here. Here's something. Have to push that little bit in. Gate does not want to stay open. The door sill's been replaced, but the cab is all original. It's all wooden. Oh wow, look. It's a little flimsy, but I'm not gonna lie, still holds together better than anything new like an Eco Disc or such. Beats those out by a mile still. Please close both doors when exiting. I will do that, but only because you said please. Certificate? All right, let's go down one more time. Boy, this thing's cool. All right. One more ride, we'll go to 2. What is that? Oh, that's an old lock. Looks like that used to be a lock of some sorts. Yeah, a deadbolt. Interesting, must have been so individual businesses could lock the floor of the elevator. So sneaky weekies couldn't get on it. Sneaky weekies like me. Anyway, that's it.